Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna show you how to install games on PS3 OFW Part 2. So where were we? We only had to activate the game, so let's do it.
Okay, we need to dump the IDPS and act, which we'll dump in a while. Till then, we need to activate the system. To activate the system, you need to sign in into the PSN. So, I'm signing in. Wait a minute. It takes a while. Okay, go to account management and go to system activation. In that, go to PS3 system. Now go into game and select activate system. As you can see, activating. Please wait. Okay, activation is complete. Okay, now sign out of your PSN account. Okay, I'll sign out using the other account. Signed out. Okay, go to internet browser. I'm on OFW, so I can't dump the IDPS and ACT. CFW ID. So we are in the
I'm on CFW, so I can't
dump
dump
the
IDPS.
ACT and IDPS.
So after you come here, you need to click on initialize act slash IDPS dumper. If it doesn't work,
See,
now.
I'm on OFW, so it will not work. CFW, I mean, it will not work. See,
It doesn't work on CFW.
okay. If this happens on OFW, delete cookies, then delete search data, then delete cache, and then delete authentication information.
And then you can
Exit
the
the page,
browser, again get into browser.
and again initialize the dumper. After the initialization is complete, you can dump the ACT and IDPS.
Which is here. After initializing, after it says successfully initialized, you need to dump act.dat and IDPS.
So that's it. Let's move to PC. So now we need to install the resigner tool. Go to this link which is in the description. Download it from here, the zip file. As soon as you click it, it will start downloading. I've already downloaded it. Okay, let's see. Open the file. I don't know where you have saved it. So go to RifGen master, then paste your RAP files here, and then the IDPS and the ACT file here. I don't have it as I am running on CFW. Then open this with the PS3 exploit RifGen EDAT resigner. As soon as you open it, it will start resigning your wraps. I don't have the idps.hex, so it can't resign it. But you'll get a pkg file here. Copy it to your flash drive here. Copy it, then move to your PS3.
Okay, so we're back. Let's continue.
So the problem was this.
When you open a game, it shows that we need to renew the license.
So to renew it artificially, we need to do these things. Okay. So we had created the fix for Angry Birds, as you saw in PC. Okay. So we're gonna install it. You need to enable HAN, but this is a PSD running on CFW, so we do not need to enable HAN. We can directly install it. This is the fix. You might have different names. Now it's installed. Now, you saw that the PS3 got like, okay, see,
Now see.
we're gonna open it, start.
See?